Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a Bitcoin price prediction. And as we can see, Bitcoin has a fall for more lower prices. We are at the last target for a wave 2, and from there, if we hit this target and we continue towards the downside, hitting the 886, consider that, of course, as this scenario of 100k is to be gone forever, right? So once we hit this 886, of course, then we cannot think about 100k anymore. If we hit the 886, we might go for a wave C, still potential, of course. If we look, by the way, to the RSI as well indicator, we can see as well that the RSI is very oversold now on I think on the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart as well, and if the daily as well, yeah, it's very close. So yeah, we are very close for oversold as well. So yeah, we might hit it, maybe the oversold with the 886 at the same time. So we might see only a wave C with 5 waves towards the upside, probably. Of course, if we don't get like directly continuation towards the downside, because of course that's why I'm saying like always to be careful here what to do, because each level is so close to the other one, and the trades that you can do is very small. Like if you want to move from target to another, so it's very small. It's a very critical area, of course, to decide where to go. However, anyway, if we are bearish, we are not just talking about something very small, right? So once we break this lower low, we are talking about 30,000, 22,400, as we saw today in the monthly chart as a correction. So yeah, that is a lot of trade down there. So you don't want to risk here. That's why I always be careful. However, for now, we have hit the last target of a diagonal. So now the diagonal can be considered as even, how to say it, invalid, because we cannot hit really lower than the wave 1. Once it is bigger than the FIB level of 1, then it means this is not a diagonal anymore, and it transformed directly to a 1, 2, 1, 2 possible, right? 3, 4, 5. 5 might hit, of course, the 886, maybe for 5 again. So we might range in this area, and yeah, if we really don't see like the bulls coming in, yeah. What can I say? I mean, the 100k scenario, then we cannot talk about it anymore. And yeah, I mean, this is what it is trading. And of course, on all indicators, especially mine, I already saw like a lot of sellers getting in now, right, in that moment. So I think now the numbers, of course, the volume of the sellers start to get over this area now. So it's this is not a good signal. However, of course, I mean, to be watching. Now, of course, I would say, yeah, I mean, once the numbers are higher now, I would say, okay, there is a very big potential to be bearish, hitting, of course, lower than the lower low here and transforming this impulse to a 3 waves towards the downside. That means, by the way, let's see some big bearish scenario here. So what I mean in the big bearish scenario, and that is a lot of trade when you want to sell. Of course, what I mean with this is once we hit here the 886, yeah, of course, if we go down, then we want to sell, because on the daily chart, you can see that this is only the beginning, right? We have actually here A, and this is 3 wave B, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are looking almost somewhere here for the 20s thousand. I mean, yeah, it could be very bearish, because this is a regular flat. If we take now the FIB levels from here till there, till here, okay, we can see that a flat wave C can hit exactly the 20 as 1-to-1 FIB level. Therefore, I'm saying, okay, if you want to be bearish, let's just make sure that we are bearish, then we go down. You can just trade all of this, right? So that is plenty to have. And if we go up, of course, because the possibility is still there, we still have one more option for the 100K. So if we go up, of course, we are gonna trade this area. However, it doesn't matter which side the price decides to go. My concern is to know exactly which side the price has decided, and then I can make money at the both sides, right? Here we go. Now we are touching exactly this fib level. We are already, by the way, now inside the zone of the wave 2, if you have realized. So that is also, yeah, very critical as well. I mean, yeah, the possibilities now is, of course, lower, but once we go under this 0.78, which is doing right now, actually. So we're gonna watch level by level. Don't forget the 886, and after the 886, then of course we are bearish, guys. This is a confirmation now, so to let you know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes, your comments, and trade safe and responsibly. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.